What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to jailbreak the new iOS 11.4 that I'm running here. And as you can see, I do not have Cydia, so I'm not jailbroken yet. What you do is simply, from your iOS device, from your iPad or iPhone, you start your Safari browser, and then you head over to this address here, pangu11.mobile. And here they will tell you how it works. They will tell you that you can't install Cydia on a device that has not been jailbroken, because Apple has not approved it. But you can, of course, install apps that Apple has approved. So the Pangu team, they simply hide Cydia and the jailbreak inside of a approved application. So the result is that you get a seemingly approved application that you can install without problem. The app has a jailbreak inside of it. So when you start this app, you also start the jailbreak and installation of Cydia in the background. So head over to pangu11.mobile and scroll to the bottom. And click this little icon here to get to the free jailbreak injected app store. Now, there are no surveys or human verifications or any form of payment or any crap like that. If there is anything like that on a site, then it's fake. Then it's not a jailbreak. The window pops up, you need to verify that you're a human by doing a survey or add a credit card, whatever. It's a scam. So don't do it. Jailbreaks are always free and direct, nothing else. Now, when you click this link here, you should be taken directly to a jailbreak injected app. Sometimes you get taken to some stupid ad site, or survey, whatever. Don't proceed. Don't continue. There's nothing there for you. If you don't get sent directly to a free app, then all apps are free. If you don't get it sent directly to an app, then simply go back and click the link again. So usually it works that way, and you're taken to a jailbreak injected app straight away, like now. That's lucky when I'm recording. Now, we were taken to a random jailbreak injected app, and we're simply going to download this app and start it up. Since this app has Cydia and jailbreak hidden inside of it, when we start this app, the jailbreak will start in the background. So we need to start the app, and now we need to keep it running for about 30 seconds or so. The reason for that is to get the jailbreak time to install itself properly. And one question I get a lot is, what's that blinking there? And that blinking is the proximity sensor. You cannot see it with your naked eye. So you know, it's not a fake iPhone I have. If you try recording your iPhone and then look at that video, then you will also see that blinking. And things the same with the remote controls for TV and such. But anyway, when we have kept the app running for about 30 seconds, we're simply going to restart our device to finish off the jailbreak process. One thing worth noting is that sometimes these apps get patched. So if they have been patched, then nothing happens, nothing at all. When you restart your device, this will be just the same as always. That simply means that that app has been patched, and it will be soon be removed and replaced with a working one. Sometimes there are a few apps that are patched, so you need to try a few before you find one that finally works. It can be annoying like that, but new freshly injected apps are added quite often, and as soon as one app stops working, it will be removed. And there's the Pangu symbol. That's a good sign. It's preparing the file system and finishing installing Cydia. Like I said, all of these apps are 100% free. If it doesn't work on the first app, then it's been patched. Simply try again. Again, all free. If you get taken to some ad site when you click that link in the App Store, in the free injected app store, if you get taken to anything but a direct download of an app, simply go back straight away. I don't know why they put those goddamn annoying ads there. Anyway, here's Cydia. Fully functional, of course, and fully untethered. And that's pretty much it. That's how easy it is to install, how to jailbreak the new iOS 11.4 install Cydia. And if you liked my video, I would be very happy if you commented, rated, and subscribed, and yada yada, you know the drill. Thank you for watching. Bye.